Here's a quick overview of Nanoleaf's Canvas. Smart home design, really a fantastic product. Couple just quick things. These panels, each of them kind of have four sections, and they're just pretty. They connect together through a linker that goes in that little slot. You can see there's many slots around, so you can make your configuration. That is attached with command strip kind of deal. That one I didn't tuck back in. I ended up pushing them all down, so I didn't like seeing them. And then this is the power block. I've left this on so the family can get used to how it works. But you've got your power button, and this is the next rhythm, shuffle, next color scene, adjust the brightness here, and then power on and off. And then the whole thing will plug into any of the spots that the linker will. That's the cord. It just goes down. You get a cord management on that if you want to. And then just plugs in. So it'll go in any configuration. I just want to let you see how pretty this is. Alright. So it's awfully dark. Wow. Is that not just beautiful? Yeah, let's see. 4 cameras having a hard time. Let's see if we can give you a little light. Back. So this is just running through random scenes that are there. And you can remember these different things, and this sticker will pull off. But you might want the next rhythm scene, and it might be, this is voice response, as you can see. So, as we talk, it lights up, down, and so if you have music going, gosh, that's a lot of fun. You can select different colors that will be used during these times. This is, of course, touch sensitive, which is so cool. So we put it down low so my kids can really enjoy it. So if that icon's lit, this music, it means that it's doing the voice activated. And so while it's lit, it's a sound or voice activated, and that's the different kind of scene. It's doing the same thing, but just how it processes the sound and lights up is different. This is, again, voice activated or music activated, so you put on the music, and this is just a blast. So let's go to the shuffle a scene. So now it's on different scenes. It's just kind of going through. Set to nice fade. Maybe you want to change the color. If you don't want all green, and you should just go to the next color scene. It'll just do its thing. Let's do something else. If you want the brightness up, you can see it. Whoa, there you go. If you want the brightness down, touch it. Brightness up. Then, this is cool too. So we've gotten touch controls into each panel. And so we are flicking back through the different color scenes, the different, I've got it set up that if you flip backwards, see how now that's lit? That first icon? It means that it went back to the previous scene, which is a rhythm scene. Goes back to the next color scene if I flick right. And then if I want to get the brightness down, it will come down a little bit. So, and then just double tap, and it's going off. Oh, it doesn't want to go off at all. It's having too much fun. So, anyways, I love this. It is absolutely beautiful. And what a significant upgrade to our home. And you can see here's what it looks like in, with lights on. So you can of course paint with it if you set it up. You can make designs in it. You can decide which tiles are going to be painted what color. It's really a limitless thing. So Nanoleaf has knocked it out of the park with their brand new light panels. These are called Canvas. So they also make a triangle set. This is a square set. Nanoleaf products are really, really phenomenal. Check them out.